さん。
Konnichiwa, watashi wa John desu. Hajimemashite. Heiwa Sushi is a sushi yatai concept which provide menu from Otsumami to sushi, which they have nigiri sushi, gunkan sushi, makimono, and tamaki sushi. Besides that, we also have a la carte menu and dinner sets menus, which is from agemono to yakimono and mushimono. And our material is special, hand-picked from market from myself. And for my salmon, it's actually a farm breed imported from Norway, delivered 3 times in a week. Besides that, I'm using nishiki rice for my sushi rice and steamed rice, which is, I believe, is the best quality that is available in Guangdong. I'm also using sunflower oil for my agemono menu because I believe using a good material will create a good food for my customer. As for my selling point, sushi is actually all location food. It's easy to consume, and for those who are always on the go, I made a pre-packed sushi and supply to the petrol station and mini market. So in pre-packed sushi, I've insert a brochure information about my company and where is my store is located. Besides that, I also provided a catering service for indoor activity. I always believe that 5 things to make a business successful is, first of all, of course, passion. Everybody must have a passion and good ideas, then they have to be a leader to influence all the stuff. And for second thing is commitment. They must work together and communicate and have to teach the staff how to handle every issue if it pops up. Because in business, you spend more time in business than your family, so you have to be 110% committed, or otherwise you don't do it. Then for this fourth is to study why we fail or why we success. Learn why, how, when, and where, and who, because every human make a mistake. So it's very important to see from a bad idea and gain from a good idea. Fourth is competitions. There is always a competitor around you when your idea is working. The people will copy, research, and develop. So always be ahead from your competitors. Always have something new because it's very important in food business. New menu will give a fresh to these customers. And the last but not least, customer is a king. So we have to really give them excitement and listen to their comments. So dear voters, I hope you're really entertained by my video. That please vote for me. A vote a day will give me a chance to make my dream come true. Criticize and comment is always welcome.